In this unit, you learned about some of the uses of the infinitive with to. Let's have another look. Sandra describes a strange thing that happened to her when she was cycling. Listen to her story.
I was cycling through the mountains near my home when my bicycle hit something and I fell off. I wasn't hurt, so I got up and went back to see what I had hit. I was amazed to find a strange rock in the road. Anyway, I didn't know what to do with it, so I decided to take a photo and send it to my friend. He phoned me and told me not to touch it because it might be hot. He said it was a rock that had come from space.
Sandra uses to plus infinitive in 4 different ways here. First of all, she says, I went back to see what I had hit. She uses to plus infinitive here to explain the reason for doing something. Next, she says, I was amazed to find a strange rock. After many adjectives, we can use to plus infinitive. We can follow some verbs with a question word and to plus infinitive. For example, Sandra says, I didn't know what to do. Some other verbs that follow this pattern are ask, decide, explain, forget, show, tell, and understand. Sandra also says, I decided to take a photograph of it. We use to plus infinitive when we follow certain verbs with a second verb. Some other verbs that follow this pattern are choose, want, promise, expect, plan, learn, and offer. Not to plus infinitive is the negative form of to plus infinitive. For example, he told me not to touch it. Let's look at some more examples of the different ways we can use to plus infinitive. We can use to plus infinitive to explain the reason for doing something. We can use to plus infinitive after certain verbs when there are 2 verbs together in a sentence. After many adjectives, we can use to plus infinitive. With some verbs, we can use to plus infinitive after the verb and a question word. When you are ready, go to the activity. Is the grammar correct? Choose yes or no.